do unboxing. Wait.
Can you do a straps?
Dun, 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 dun. There goes one. Time to release the Rodan, right?
Oh, he's
Oh, is he still kind of?
wings. Wings too.
Aha. Good call. All right.
Wow.
Let's get a bin.
Dad, look at what he can.
Oh, he's got transform for Titan Tech battle. So he's got armor.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a highly advanced Rodan.
This is a
What's up, baby? All right.
It's gotta be a bad.
I was kind of waiting because Makai wanted to.
Bad.
What's up?
Makai's gonna be so surprised.
Watch out.
Wait, Makai's gonna be so surprised.
All right, Mooch Boo Boo.
Look at Mega Godzilla, King Kong, and Godzilla, and I don't know who that guy is.
All right, do you want to try? Let's see. Is he free?
He's not.
He's still. Let me see.
You know those spinning things at the bottom?
Wait.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, do we have to attach his wings?
Yeah.
Is that pretty cool? Oh, geez, Louise, look at these wings.
Can I connect them?
Yeah. You got them?
But not this one yet. I love. Wait, where's this thing? Yeah, there's like.
Ah, so let's go ahead and attach, and then we got to see how we can activate his armor. There you go. How's that?
Cool. And now time to put yours.
What do you think?
Whoa. Is there any? Oh yeah, a knee thing. A knee thing too.
Now let's see. That armor looks super cool, but I think he also has, it looks like some wing armor. Let's see. How do we activate that?
Oh, I think I know what's the wing armor. You have to take these.
Ah, look at that. Dun, da, da, da.
Does that just stay Yale?
I think, so what you do is, yeah, you flip them on over, and then I think you can close the wing back, right?
Wait,
with this on the outside.
Does that still go out too?
Oh yeah, it looks like all of that, right? Does all of that come out? Let me see something, hold on. Here you gotta kind of turn it. You see right here, where you can kind of swing them around. Will that lock like that? Let me see it.
I told you that can open.
Oh, wow. Here.
The tissues. I don't know where that stuff is.
I wonder if you just kind of flip. Do those kind of flip out?
This.
Like here, let me see, open those. Look. Dun, da, da, dum. Yep, they kind of flip. So everything kind of flips into position. And then here, let me see, you flip it. I think you gotta flip this all the way like that, and then this will close back up. Yep.
Rodan.
Oh man, look at that armor. So look, he's got armor down here, right?
And has armor on the back. And armor on here. And armor on swing.
Oh, I think Kaya's here and Arya.
Look at it, show Makai. Makai, look, and it can transform Elmo back into it.
Really?
Yeah, and these can go up.
Yeah. Won't take too long to.
Part of his Elmo.
So let's see.
Whoa, Makai, look at his tummy can flip over too.
Yeah.
Is that cool? That's the final piece?
Mhm. And also we can do
Is he ready to battle?
This guy's gonna win. He has a lot of Ooh.
Pretty cool?
Yeah.
All right, boom. And then, boom here. Look.